Hi Ray, I've got a registration panel. Um, I don't know what that's doing there at the moment. Don't worry about that. But I've got this registration panel. So if a user pays via PayPal and then they get a link to register via email, they click on it and they come to here. And just take that out. So, okay, so I can get rid of that now. Okay, so I'm happy with the size of this. It doesn't need to be particularly wide, but this font here and this font here are too big. They need to be just a little bit bigger than this sizing in here. And this text here, could we limit it to being in line with this panel? So it may run over a couple of lines. Being smaller, I'd say to probably run over 2 lines. We could probably center it as well. I think it is, yeah, it is centered at the moment, but just a smaller. The register button down here, could we style it so that it's blue and it looks like that? So register. Yeah, so this to be smaller, that to be smaller. When I resize this panel down, it doesn't go any further than this. I don't know what's stopping it. I have a feeling that there may be some mobile browsers out there which may be smaller than that. So if we can narrow this down, I mean, if you find that this size is the lowest of the low for all devices out there, then we'll leave it. But if not, could we make sure that this can go smaller, and then like these boxes here, they can become narrower as the browser window shrinks, and people could just they could keep typing and it wouldn't be a problem. So that box doesn't have to be particularly wide, or any of those boxes. And yeah, we could potentially move this whole panel down a little bit. We could probably move this down a little bit, just so that you've got some more room up here for the writing. Yeah, and that's essentially it. So hopefully that's clear, and I'll leave it over to you. Great, thanks Ray, cheers.